Yes, it's gonna be happening today. Look at that. So today, this is today's intro for my possibly EAS Tuesday. I'm calling this EAS Tuesday. And a risk, so let's get started. Now, this is only the intro, so this will be uploaded to YouTube as itself. So, see you guys later today. Forget any EAS alerts. Thumbs up. Wish me the best of luck.
And now your local forecast. Accurate, convenient, and dependable. Only on the Weather Channel. The current local conditions. The current radar, showing any precipitation in your area. Your local 36-hour forecast from the National Weather Service. The extended forecast.